play a little game with you. So you need a pencil and paper because you're going to keep score for yourself. Okay, we're going to review numbers. I'm going to show you a number on a card, or it's on a picture card. And then I want you to sign the number. If you remember it right away, without looking around at your neighbor, give yourself a point. Okay? And because I want all of you to learn these, after a few moments, I'll show you the correct sign. So even if you're wrong, you'll see what the correct sign is and you can review. All right? So, and then at the end of the class time, you can see who has the most points, who knows the most numbers. All right? You get a point. 10 is made with the thumb sticking up and wiggling. Number 6. If you sign 6 with your pinky on your thumb, give yourself a point. Number 8 is made with your tall man finger touching your thumb. 8. If you made number 9 with your pointer finger on your thumb, you are correct and you get a point. Number 3. To make 3 in sign language, you make the 2 and put your thumb out. The reason we don't make 3 like this in sign language is because this is the letter W. So if you made your 3 like this, give yourself a point. Number 7. To make the number 7, you have your ring finger on your thumb. 7. So we only had 8 numbers in the numbers from 1 through 10. I didn't use the number 1 or the number 2 because you already know those. You've known those since you were a little kid. Oh, we didn't have 8 numbers. We had 6 numbers. So the most points you could have gotten up to now is 6 points. So if you have 6 points, awesome job. Number 15. 15. This is one of those numbers where your hand is backwards and you just wiggle those fingers. 15. Number 11. 11 is another number with the back of your hand showing, and you flick your finger up. 11. 11. You are correct. 10 plus 6 equals 16. Fourteen is one of those backwards numbers, and you wiggle those 4 fingers. 14. Number 20. 20 is just like the sign for bird, but not at your mouth. 20. 20. If you got it correct, you get another point. Number 17. 10 plus 7 makes 17. 17. Number 19. 10 plus 9 is 19. 19. Number 12. This is another backwards number. You flick it twice. 12. 12. Number 13 is the 3 turn backwards and wiggle those fingers. 13. 13. Now remember, if you had to look at your neighbor, you don't get the point. Okay? Your neighbor gets the point. Okay. Number 18. 10 plus 8. 18. 18. Okay, so if you did all of those numbers correctly, your total score should be 16 points. So if you got 16 points, raise your hand. The rest of the class, you should clap for them. They've remembered them or they've been studying them. And if you got fewer points, you know you need to keep working on those number signs.